Discover the hottest designer swimwear trends for 2024. Whether you're looking for chic beachwear, eye-catching designer bikinis, or elegant swimsuits, we've got you covered. 2024 is all about sustainability. Many designer brands are now focusing on eco-friendly materials and ethical production processes. Expect to see swimsuits and bikinis made from recycled fabrics and innovative materials that are as kind to the planet as they are to your style. Bold, vibrant prints are making a big splash this year. Think tropical florals, geometric patterns, and abstract designs that stand out. These eye-catching designs are perfect for making a statement by the pool or on the beach. Retro-inspired swimwear is back in a big way. High-waisted bikinis and vintage cuts offer a timeless elegance. These designs accentuate the waist and provide a chic, sophisticated look that's perfect for any beach outing. 2024 swimwear is all about unique silhouettes and playful cutouts. Luxury is in the details this season. Look for swimwear with textured fabrics like ribbed, crinkled, or smarked materials. Intricate details such as embroidery, beading, and ruffles add a touch of opulence to your beach look. Explore these stunning trends and find your perfect beachwear at Beach Cafe. Visit us at www.beachcafe.com.